Onto our new products for the show, which has just been announced. To complete the picture, we've got the Wave. So it's the same generation of products, the new technology that's part of our Pulse and that's in the Slate. This is called the Wave, which is for the sound guy. So the idea is that with sound devices integration, we not only can be the master clock for the set, we can give the sound devices mixer timecode and word clock or sync. We then generate that master clock for the whole set. So whether any one of our other products, whether it's the Slate, whether it's the Mini range, whether it's the Pulse, whether it's another Wave, they can all be put into receive slave mode and receive that incredibly accurate lock over a long range RF system, which is the 915 megahertz in the States. But what we've got now with the Wave and the Pulse, we've got this new system called Blink. So with the Blink network, it still uses the same long-range RF system, but we now get status feedback from Blink-enabled devices, which is the Pulse, the Wave, the Slate, and the Mini TRX. So we can now see, when you connect to the Wi-Fi network of the Wave on your app, and that could be either our app, which is the Timecode Buddy app, it could be Movie Slate 8, we can now see the status of all the connected devices on that long-range system via the Wi-Fi hop. So we can see the battery life, whether they're locked, what the frame rate is, what the time code is. So we can now monitor the status of all your time code on set over the long-range link on one app screen. So with the sound device integration, we then take this one step further. We now connect the data port of the Wave into the USB of a 6 series sound devices. So we come out of the data port into the USB. We obviously give the sound devices recorder, sync, and timecode as the master clock. But what that now means is that we're now creating a Wi-Fi bridge of that control. So within the app, which is the Movie Slate 8 app, we've now got full integration with the sound department aspect of the plugin, if you like, of that app. So we'll now have remote start and stop of the recorder. We can arm and disarm tracks, we can name tracks. We've got all the metadata, all the sound metadata automatically populating into the app for elegant sound reports and to go up into the Movie Slate cloud. But also we've got the ability to put the metadata that you're typing in, your additional notes, whether it's a circle take, back onto the media of the sound devices recorder. So it's a two-way integration, all via the same app. So effectively we've got one unit which is a Wi-Fi bridge to the recorder. We've got the Blink network to look at all the status of everything, and we've got an accurate sync clock that distributes sync wirelessly to everything that wants to listen to it. So that's the end of the range.